Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about least squares exponential. Curve fitting, also known regression analysis, is used to find the best fit line or curve for a series of data points. Curve fitting is a method of finding a suitable relation or law in the form y equals f of x for a set of observed values xi, comma yi, where I equals 1, 2, 3 up to n. Mathematical relation between two variables is called as empirical law. Suppose y equals f of x is an approximate relation that fits into a given datum comprising xi, comma yi, where I equals 1, 2, 3 up to n, then yi's are called observed values and capital Yi equals f of xi are called expected values. Their difference Ri equals Yi minus capital Yi or is called the residuals or estimate error. Fitting a exponential form. The equation is y equals a x to the power of b. Working procedure. Step 1. Obtain the normal equations in the form of summation of capital Y equals n into capital A plus capital B into summation of capital X. Summation of capital X into capital Y equals A into capital A into summation of capital X plus B capital B into summation of capital S square. Consider y equals a into x to the power of b. Take log on both sides. Then log y to the base e equals log a plus b log x. This equation can be written as capital Y equals capital A plus capital B into capital X, where capital Y equals log y to the base e, capital A equals log a to the base e, capital B equals small b, capital X equals log x to the base e. Here, the equation y equals a plus bx represents a straight line. Hence, the normal equations associated with this equations are summation of capital Y equals n into capital A plus capital B into summation of capital X. Summation of capital X into capital Y equals A into summation of capital X plus B into summation of capital S square. Step 2. Find all the necessary summations from the data. Step 3. Solve the normal equations as a simultaneous equations for a and b value, where a equals log a to the base e, reply a equals e power a. A equals e power a. Yeah. Step 4. Substitute the values of a and b in y equals a into x to the power of b. Now we will solve some problems on exponential form. Fit a least geometric curve y equals a x to the power of b for the following data. X equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and corresponding values of y are 0.5, 2, 4.5, 8, 12.5. Solution. Consider y equals a into x to the power of b. Log y equals log a plus b log x. Therefore, capital Y equals capital A plus capital B into capital X. The normal equations associated with this equation are summation of capital Y equals n into capital A plus B into capital B into summation of capital X. Summation of capital X into capital Y equals A into summation of capital X plus capital B into summation of capital S square. From the given data, we have 5 terms, hence n equals 5. Now we construct a table. The values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Corresponding values of y are 0.5, 2, 4.5, 8, 12.5. X equals log x to the base e. We get 0, 0.6931, 1.0986, log 4, 1.3863, log 5 equals 1.6094. Calculate y equals log y to the base e. Therefore, log 1, log of 0.5 equals 0 minus 0.6931, log 2 equals 0.6931, log of 4.5 equals 1.5041, log 8 equals 2.0794, log of 12.5 equals 2.5257. Capital X, calculate x square. Capital X square 0, 0.6931 whole square equals 0.4804. 1.0986 whole square equals 1.2069. 1.3863 whole square equals 1.9218. 1.6094 square equals 2.5902. Calculate xy. 0 into minus 0.6931 equals 0. 0.6931 into 0.6931 equals 0.4804. 1.0986 into 1.5041 equals 1.6524. 1.3863 into 2.0794 equals 2.8827. 1.6094 into 2.5257 equals 4.0649. Now summation. Summation of capital X equals 4.7874. Summation of y minus 0.6931 plus 0.6931 plus 1.5041 plus 2.0794 plus 2.5257 equals 6.1092. Summation of s square equals 6.1993. Summation of xy equals 9.0804. The normal equation becomes NA plus capital B into summation of capital X equals summation of capital Y. Phi A plus 4.7874 into capital B equals 6.1092. A into summation of capital X plus B into summation of S square equals summation of XY, where 4.7874 into capital A plus 6.1993 into B equals 9.0804. Now solving, we get capital A equals minus 0.69315, capital B equals 2. Log A equals capital A small a equals e power A. Therefore, equals e power minus 0.69315 equals 0.5, and capital B equals small b equals 2. Therefore, the required fitting of a curve is y equals small a into x into small b. Therefore, y equals 0.5 into s square. Now we will solve one more problem. An experiment gave the following values. V, feet per minute, is 350, 400, 500, 600, and time t in minutes is 61, 26, 7, 2.6. It is known that V and T are connected by the relation V equals A into T to the power of B. Find the best possible values of A and B, considering log to the base 10. Solution. Consider V equals A into T to the power of B. Take log to the base 10 on both sides. Log to the base 10 into V. Log V to the base 10 equals log A to the base 10 plus B into log T to the base 10. Therefore, capital Y equals capital A plus capital B into capital X, where capital Y equals log V to the base 10, capital A equals log A to the base 10, capital B equals small b, capital X equals log T to the base 10. The normal equations associated with this equation are summation of capital Y equals n into capital A plus capital B into summation of capital X. Summation of xy equals capital A into summation of capital X plus capital B into summation of capital S square. Here n equals 4. Now we construct a table. Given V equals 350, 400, 500, 600, and corresponding values of T are 61, 26, 7, 2.6. Calculate capital X equals log T to the base 10, 1.7853, 1.4150, 0.8451, 0.4150. Calculate y equals capital Y equals log V to the base 10, 2.5441, 2.6021, 2.6990, 2.7782. Calculate capital X into Y, capital Y, 4.5420, 3.6820, 2.2810, 1.1530. Calculate capital X square, 3.1873, 2.0022, 0.7142, 0.1722. Now summation of capital X equals 4.4604. Summation of capital Y equals 10.6234. Summation of capital X into Y, capital Y, equals 11.6583. Summation of capital X square equals 6.0759. The normal equation becomes 10.6234 equals 4a plus 4.4604 into capital B. 11.658 equals 4.4604 into capital A plus 6.0759 into capital B. On solving equations, we get capital A equals 2.8462, capital B equals minus 0.1707. But capital A equals log A to the base 10. Therefore, small a equals 10 to the power A. Therefore, 10 to the power 2.8462 equals 701.7784. and capital B equals small b equals minus 0.1707. Thus, the required fitting of a curve is V equals 701.7784 into t to the power of minus 0.1707. Thank you.